You. What are you doing? Backwards? You're tricky.
Do it this way.
Yeah, you're doing it the right way, huh? Hey, look, it's our little grandma with her, can't even touch the ground.
Hi.
Hi, Ari. What you doing? You going high? There she is. Whoa, you okay?
Yes.
Okay. Where'd Ari go?
Over here.
Oh, there you are. Where's Ari? Oh, there you are.
Yay, double.
Oh, Grandma, you go, baby.
Hold back.
Go ahead, you go. Go, Angelette. Oh, you done? That was quick. We still got some snow here. Do it, Ari. Here you go. All right. Angela at 1 foot. See if you can do it. Hey, Grandma. She wants to go on with you now.
Off in the snow.
Ari's turn. Okay, Grandma, bounce her off. Bounce her to the. There you go. Yeehaw! What's that? Scooch all to you. So what's going on with your hair?
I don't know.
It's all over the place. Let me take a picture of you. Take a picture of you two here too. Okay, good picture. I love that hair. Here, go back up a little bit. See if it goes in your hair. Okay. Come on, let me see your hair. Keep coming. Woo, yeah. It's still dancing. You got some dancing hair there, kid. It's all over, isn't it? Is it pulling you?
Yeah.
Yeah?